Hello and good morning all of you. This is your ma'am. I cheerily welcome you to all in my class. So today I am here with my new and interesting and very important topic or concept, and my concept is be safe or safety at home. Safety first. So be safe and safety at home. So today I will make you learn some safety rules that we follow to save our lives. We must have the ability to follow basic health and safety routines. We must know about the dangerous and safe things. So are you ready for this? But before starting my class, I will narrate a story about safety or danger things, safe things or danger things. So who is she? Tell me. She is looking very old now. So who is she? She is grandmother. Okay. Now who is he? He is Buddy, her grandson. Okay. Now the next one is, who is he? He is Raj. He is very naughty. He is also her grandson. So she is grandmother and she has two grandsons. One is Buddy, his name is Buddy, and his name is Raj. Okay. So now Buddy and Raj. So Buddy and Raj went to grandmother's house. Okay, so she was very happy to see them. But the moment they entered grandmother's house, Raj went. He's very naughty. So he went in search of his favorite homemade cookies. So he knew where grandmother normally keep the box of cookies, the topmost shelf in the kitchen. So now he tried. Who tried? Raj tried to reach for the box, but he failed. So he pulled a stool and stood on it, and he was about to fall. Then Buddy came and Buddy saved him. Then Raj was very excited. He was very happy and began opening the cupboard doors and drawers of the living room. Then he left them open. Then Buddy, he quietly saw the behavior and closed all of them so that nobody bumps on it. Then the helper was mopping the floor. And the floor was wet. So the floor was wet. Then what happened? Tell me. Then what happened? Then Raj ran into the kitchen. On the wet floor, Raj ran into the kitchen, and guess what happened? Guess. What happened? Then he slipped on the floor. And then he slipped on the floor and hurting himself. Just then he heard the doorbell ring. He heard the doorbell and was about to open the door. And then what happened? Tell me. Then grandmama or grandmother came and stopped him and saying, do not open the doors to strangers. Do not open the door to strangers. Who said? Grandmother said, do not open the doors to strangers. Let me check first. So now Raj was very hungry. He's very naughty boy. So he was very hungry and prepared a toast using the toaster. Suddenly black flame were seen. And the toast was burnt. Then Raj was very sad and he was getting into dangerous act that could hurt him. Then grandmother asked him to sit in one place. Then grandmother asked him to sit in one place and stop being naughty. And stop being naughty. So this is my story about dangers or safe things. Now tell me, what did you learn now? Tell me. Now look here. This is safe or danger? Tell me. If this is safe, then you have to raise your hand. If this is not safe, then you have to down your hands. Okay? So now, is this safe or not? Safe? No. Is this safe or not? No. Then, it is safe or not? No. And then, open the doors to strangers is safe or not? No. The next is it safe or not? No. So, what did you learn now? Tell me. So, the first thing is, do not open the door to strangers. Second is, we should not touch the electric appliances or wires with wet hands. We should not touch the electric appliances or wires with wet hands. And do not run when the floor is wet. Do not run when the floor is wet. Otherwise, what happened? You would be slip. So now, if you follow these rules, so you can protect yourself completely. If you follow this rule, so you can protect yourself completely. So this is my concept of be safe or safety at home, because your life is very precious to your parents, to your family. So now take care of yourself, and it's time to say goodbye. So goodbye everyone.